Top story tonight, a judge grants a preliminary injunction extending the pause on Wyoming's abortion ban. Good evening, I'm Aaron Brown.
And I'm Kristen Casper. Thanks for joining us tonight. Now, this means abortion remains legal in the state, at least for now, as the case against it continues.
The decision comes 2 weeks after the same judge granted a temporary restraining order on Wyoming's trigger law.
That's the law that would have prohibited abortion in the state except for cases of rape, incest, or serious risk of harm to the pregnant person. Now, in a 22-page decision, Judge Melissa Owens found the plaintiffs were able to present evidence proving that abortion procedures are essential healthcare decisions for women and that all Wyoming residents have the freedom to make their own healthcare decisions under the Wyoming state constitution.
She also found that the abortion law would create irreparable harm to pregnant women and their physicians in Wyoming. She also noted the statute provides no guidance with respect to when a provider may provide an abortion in cases of incest or sexual assault.
Now, we spoke with Dr. Giovannina Anthony, a provider at Wyoming's only open abortion clinic in Jackson. She says she's thankful for the decision.
You know, I have to say I am so grateful that we have the legal process to at least make a case. It makes me feel like, as a concerned citizen and a healthcare provider, at least I have some sort of voice.
On the other side, the defendants argued yesterday women do have a right to health care services under the state constitution, but that only applies to legal services, which would not include abortion, under the trigger law.
State Representative John Romero Martinez reacting to the decision, expressing frustration with the judge's ruling.
The legislative body is going to do what the legislative body is going to do. The judicial branch is going to do what they're going to do. And then the executive branch is going to do what they're going to do. And Governor Gordon has been great in signing 3 pieces of pro-life legislation. And I think the judicial branch is under the curve. And if they need to be replaced, let's look at that when it comes to voting.
We reached out to Governor Mark Gordon, one of the defendants in the case. His office said the Attorney General will continue to defend the state's position on this issue.
The conference is scheduled for August 24th. Of course, we will keep you updated with any developments. Well, after